So, we're about to leave from this hotel restaurant, John, from eating breakfast. As you can see, Two Savage, Boom Bam Pow. We came all the way out here because of the snowstorm we have in New Jersey.
It snowed 16 inches.
16 inches, supposedly. And, all the power to our house went out. Trees was falling.
We left and it was
They're getting close to my
black
house.
outside. I mean, inside.
Oh, yeah, the house is
power.
black.
I couldn't do anything else. I couldn't. I had no Wi-Fi. I had no internet for 2 days.
I mean, I have my Saber Forge.
You know what?
Out here, so, yeah.
Oh, you want to have a good day. I don't know.
Batman. So, got the luggage. Father's getting the car, so you can put this stuff in there. Somebody left their cardboard box. You can't see it, but right behind that car. So,
the exit.
my trees, my beautiful trees, my beautiful trees. This fell. Everything. This freaking snowstorm destroyed everything. Trees are freaking tilting. Branch fell down from up there. This branch right here was hanging right down low the other day. Freaking, it was extra close to my window. I think it was scary. Look at those over there. Bro. See this over here. This one fell down. Something from here always falls down now I think about it, but yeah, it's that. Well, it turns out that we're going back to the hotel, cause the power won't be on until certain times. I don't know, but I'm guessing not gonna be today. So, yeah, packed my stuff already. We're getting ready to go in a little bit. I don't know when exactly, but it's gonna be soon. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Trees, Jesus. Oh, God. Still waiting for my blades to get here, but some bags packed and ready to go for this time. Getting ready to leave out now. So we're getting ready to leave out. Got the Xbox. It's time. Oh,
you put his card.
You're so late. Bro.
Bro, we get into that hotel. I'm thinking about on this Monday. I don't care.
I don't care. This is what it's looking like. Pull-out couch. You know. People sleep. What time is it? Yeah, person. It's 11 o'clock. Playing some Black Ops 3, nothing much, That was funny. Says the man who's at his uncle's house. But anyway.